So we're in Mallard Landing, located right here in Alabaster. It's a new construction community. They offer multiple floor plans right in a good budget too. So we're gonna check out the model home and see the other homes that they have available. And we're also gonna highlight some of the amenities in this amazing neighborhood. So Mallard Landing is one of the first neighborhoods people bring up when they see new construction in Alabaster. It already feels like a real neighborhood taking shape. Streets in, homes going up, and you can tell where this thing is headed. Let's check out the model home now and see what it has. All right, so as you walk in, you immediately get a feel for how this layout flows. And this is what matters with new construction. You're not just buying a house, you're buying the floor plan you're gonna live in every single day. So pay attention to the openness of the main living area, how the kitchen connects, and how the bedrooms are spaced out. Because that's what separates looks good online from this actually works for us. And Mallard Landing has a handful of amenities as well. You got a clubhouse, a pool, some sidewalks, and a playground for the kiddos. I mean, you couldn't ask for more. All right, I know what you're asking. How much does this cost? Well, the pricing in Mallard Landing is between $350,000 to $400,000, depending on the lot and the upgrades you choose. So you're usually looking at like a 3 to 5 bedroom, 2 to 3 bath, and it's a mix of 1-story and 2-story options. All right, now let's actually take a look at a few of the floor plans because this is what buyers are choosing from right now. All right, first up, we got the Rhett floor plan. This is a great one-level option, and it's a bit on the smaller side with right under 1,800 square foot, and it's priced at $355,000. It's a 4-bed, 2-bath with a 2-car garage. All right, next up on the list, we have the Clayton floor plan. This is another one-level option, but unlike the Rhett, it's got more square footage, right around 2,000 square feet. And it's a 4-bed, 2-bath with a 2-car garage, and the prices start right around that $380K range. But at the time this was recorded, they actually have a deal going on right now with one of these floor plans right around $369,000. So this deal won't last long. All right, and last on the list here, we've got the Carroll floor plan. This is one of the bigger options in the neighborhood, and it usually starts around that $385,000 range. It's a 5-bed, 3-bath model with 2,500 square foot, and it's a popular option, especially if you're on a budget and you need the space. Big thing here is the community is great if you want amenities, you're trying to stay on a budget, and or you want to take advantages of some of those crazy incentives the builder offers. And to get more info on the different deals they're running, click on the link in the description and you won't miss anything. So if you want my updated Alabaster inventory list, what's available right now or what's coming soon, and which builders are offering incentives, reach out. My info is in the description below and it's pinned at the top. And real quick, drop a comment which neighborhood you want to tour first, and I'll see you in the next video.